Okay, nice probability question. Question 18, this is tree diagram question, so let's draw a tree diagram. There's 10 overall. Let's get our framework right. So let's give myself a little bit of space. If I start here, I could have what are the colours? Orange, red, yellow. Orange, red, yellow, and then from here I've got 3 choices. Another 3 choices, and the final 3 choices. Okay, so this is a chance of picking, well, let's write down over here. We've got 3 orange, we've got 2 red, and we've got 5 yellow. 3 orange, so a chance of picking that an orange on the first go is 3 out of 10. Chance of picking out a red is 2 out of 10, and the chance of picking a yellow is 5 out of 10. I'm going to leave it as tenths, even though I could simplify this one and this one. And I've picked an orange, so the chance of picking a second orange is, well, there's only 9 in the box now, or the bag, and there's 1 less orange. There's still 2 red, but there's only 9 left overall. There's still 5 yellow, and there's only 9 overall in total. So red, yellow, orange, red, yellow. However, if I picked a red first time, I still have 3 orange, so this one becomes 3 out of 9, this one becomes 1 out of 9, and then this one becomes, well, there's still 5 yellow, 5 out of 9. And then look at the bottom one, orange, red, yellow, well, still 3 orange, so it's 3 out of 9, 2 out of 9 red because they remain untouched because the first pick was a yellow on this branch, and on this branch it'll become 4 out of 9. Okay? Well, we want the probability colours will not be the same colour. So there's a couple ways of doing it. One way of doing it is, well, not being the same colour means, well, I can't have orange, but I could have this one here. So 3 out of 10th times 2 out of 9 is actually 6 out of 90. And I could do the same calculation here. I do 3 out of 10 times 5 out of 9, which actually gives me 15 out of 90. Okay, so I'm going to do the same multiplication for all of these, making sure I don't pick ones that come up with the same colour. So red orange is okay. So red orange comes up with, you can see how I'm doing these calculations quickly. Red I'm not allowed. Red yellow, I can do that one. So that's 2 times, which is 10 over 90. That one I'm allowed 5, which is 15 over 90. And this one I'm allowed, which is 10 over 90. And I'm not allowed the bottom one because that would be the same. So I now need to add all the options. So these are all the options. So the final one is probability of not to the same is equal to, it's going to be a fraction out of 90, and what's that? 10, 25, 35, 50 plus the 2 6's makes 62 out of 90, and that's my final answer. Now I could have gone about this in a completely different way. I could have worked out, that's my final answer, but I could have worked out this answer here, I could have worked out this answer here, and I could have worked out the bottom answer there, just 2 same options, and I could have done 1. So the probability of to the same, if I do all those calculations, comes out as 28 out of 90. So to get my answer 62 out of 90, I do 1 minus 28 out of 90. That's what's left over, which is 62 over 90. It would have given me the same answer, but it would have meant that I had to do less calculations. I've only needed to have done 3 instead of 6.